Hello hustlers, ready to unlock the secret to financial freedom? Well, you are in the right place because today we are diving deep into the world of online side hustles. Stick around and by the end of this video you have the best side hustles ideas. So without wasting further time, let's the hustle begin. So the number one hustle that you can start is Instagram theme page. Alright, let's dive deep into the theme pages. Not only you can focus on popular niches like travel, fitness, finance, investing, make money online or AI tutorials, but you can also create a community around your passion. There are a lot of theme pages nowadays on Instagram and some of them are making tons of money by selling affiliates products as well as their own digital products through their Instagram theme pages. With the help of AI, it is much easier to run such pages. You can get video ideas from ChatGPT and create reels in bulk by using Canva. And remember one thing, that the more interactive your page is, the faster it can grow. So the side hustle number 2, Etsy digital products. Now when it comes to Etsy, don't just stop at physical products. Consider offering digital bundles. This can attract a wider range of audience and you might find your digital product becoming go-to favorite for customers. And there is a video of mine on YouTube in which I have discussed 5 best digital products that you can sell on Etsy and can earn tons of money. You can also get ideas from there. This is the best way to earn money by just working 5 hours a week. Side hustle number 3 is tutorial videos. Expanding on tutorial videos, think about creating a series. Take your viewers on a journey from beginner to advanced level in your chosen topic. This not only keep them coming back but also establish you as an authority in your niche. Well, in this you have to choose a single niche. Even if you are learning something, you can teach that thing to the people. This will also help you to consolidate your concepts and help others. This will also earn money for yourself. You can choose any niche that you like, but here are a few niches that I will suggest you to make videos today. And those niches are video editing, AI tutorials. In this you have to make videos on different AI tools nowadays on the internet, and graphic designing tutorials. And there are many more example topics on which you can create your tutorial videos. And the side hustle number 4 is sell courses online. Selling courses online. Yes, you can upload your course on website like Udemy. You can create a course on any topic in your specialty like video editing, YouTube automation, finance, e-commerce, dropshipping and many more. And when anyone buys that course from that site, you will get paid. And if you visit Udemy, you can see that there are too many people doing the same and earning a great amount of income from doing this. This is the best method to earn money passively for life by just creating a course at once. But before creating a course, you definitely need some knowledge, and for that knowledge you can use YouTube. This will expand your knowledge. If you can't explain it to a 6-year-old, you don't understand it yourself. This quote of Albert Einstein will help you to evaluate your knowledge to teach someone. Side hustle number 5 that I am going to discuss is becoming a Skillshare teacher. The best part, anyone can be a teacher on Skillshare. So if you are really good at something, you can create your own class and teach others. And if people like your class, you even earn some money. It is a place for learning, creating and having fun while picking up new skills. You can teach anything in which you have some sort of specialty, like you know something about video editing, animation, productivity, filming and many more. You can start teaching on it. By this you can earn a good cash for yourself. So the side hustle number 6 is sell a service. Offering service. Yes, you can create a Fiverr account or any other freelancing website account and start selling services there as a graphic designer, video editor, web designer, and there are many services that you can offer to the people. If you don't know about any of these skills, you can use online platforms like YouTube to learn these skills, then sell those services on such freelancing sites. Side hustle number 7, affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you have to search for the best product that has potential to be sold online, and then you can promote that product on your site or any social media account you have, or on any sale that you make you will get commission. This works best for those who have a good amount of followers on his or her page. This is one of the best method to earn money just by doing almost nothing. This method will also bring money passively. Side hustle number 8. Create a YouTube channel. For your YouTube channel, you need nothing except a laptop or a phone to start, and you can start vlogging on it just by sharing your day-to-day routine. You can earn money. You can also create YouTube channels on different niches like cooking, gaming, finance, and many others. YouTube is one of the best way to earn money, and for faceless YouTube channel niches, watch my video present on YouTube. Link is given below in the description box so that you can start your YouTube channel today. And now let's move on side hustle number 9, that is tutoring. When it comes to online tutoring, even a student can do this side hustle. If you think that you are best in any subject in your class, then you can teach that subject to other students online, and for each session you will get paid. Here are few websites where you can provide this service online, and those websites are Check, TutorMe, and Tutor. Link of all these websites are given in description box. Go and check out. And the last side hustle that I want to discuss is stock photography. Lastly, with stock photography, if you have a good phone that captures really awesome pictures, then you can capture pictures of your surrounding like flowers, birds, sky, and can sell those images on sites like Shutterlog and Alami. And when someone buys any of your picture, you can get paid, and by this you can earn tons of money by just capturing and little bit editing those pictures. Don't worry, the link of every single site that I have discussed in this video is present in description box. If you don't find any link, then comment down below, then I will send it to you. So there you have it, more insights into these incredible online side hustles. Remember, the key is not just to start but to continuously evolve and improve. Which side hustle are you now more excited to explore? Share your thoughts in comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth tips on navigating the online side hustle world. Until next time, happy hustling.